Welcome to the Empower Your Fitness Empire YouTube channel. Gym owners, personal trainers, fitness coaches, you want to scale your business to 30 to 50K months, and the last thing you want to do is grow your business the same way you did with your gym or with your facility when it came to in-person training. Now that you are operating from a CEO mindset, you understand that you actually need a system for how you get clients and align clients and how you nurture them. So when they show up to an appointment or they show up to an actual sales call, they're actually ready to make a buying decision. Inside of this video, that's exactly what we are going to talk about, because once you get to a point and you actually get your time back, you transition away from the in-person training and you're not on the actual gym floor anymore. Either you got clients in a hybrid suite online, or you have a personal trainer that's on staff that is training your clients, right? Now that you got all this time back, now we need to understand exactly what I need to do to actually get clients and what systems I need installed inside of my business. So let's get into it. Word of mouth, referrals, and organic strategies are only going to take you so far. If you are somebody and you want to grow your coaching business to 30,000 to 50,000 plus months consistently without having to be on the gym floor, without having to post 3 to 5 Instagram reels every single day across multiple platforms, you're going to need a client getting system that can operate 12 months throughout the year and continue to help you grow year after year after year and get you at least a 5x return on the money that you spend, meaning that you spend $1 and you can make 4 back. Now, the clients that I work with typically spend $1 and make $5 to $12 back because they're utilizing my self-selling sales system along with their advertisement on Facebook and Instagram. Because getting off the gym floor isn't the only thing you need to do. Like, getting off the gym floor gets you your time back. It gives you the freedom, but you also don't want to spend all the time that you got back posting Instagram reels every single day, cold DMing strangers all day long. You don't want to do that. You want to have a system that can get you qualified leads every single day, that can get you aligned clients and want to actually schedule an appointment to learn more about how you can actually help them. And then having a system that can turn them from cold to warm, from warm to hot. And yes, this system is doing 80% of the work for you. So that prospect, when they show up to the actual appointment, they're not curious, they're not tire kickers, they're actually ready to make a buying decision. So this will require you, like when you're installing a new business model that is going to double, triple, or quadruple your revenue, you have to start looking at the business a lot differently. Because if you've been hustling before in the past, we don't want to hustle anymore. Working hard is good. You've shown that you can do that. Now let's work smarter without having to sacrifice client results, without having to sacrifice any revenue or any of your time. These are all things that we are leveraging, right? These are now things that we've actually turned into assets that we can leverage with you having full control. So one thing that we do for our clients is, yes, we set up their entire ad campaign and their self-selling sales systems, but I teach them how to operate inside of the system. This is why the CEO operating system is very important, because what you don't want to do is start making emotional decisions, is start self-sabotaging, acting out of emotions and fear and scarcity, because these are the things that will actually fuck up the system. And this CEO operating system is anchored by 2 things: data and faith. Because sometimes people try to operate just out of one of the two. Some people are like, oh, I'll put my faith here, and then they try to leave it there, and then they don't look at the data to help them make decisions. Or some people don't have any higher power. It's just all numbers, and then they're not treating clients like humans, or they're not treating prospects like humans, or not treating themselves like humans. They're just a robot. I don't think any of us should be operating like that, right? We are still humans. We're not suppressing our feelings. We're addressing our feelings. We feel how we feel, and then we activate our faith, and then we look at the data, and that tells us exactly what we need to do inside of of the business. This way, when you're activating your faith, you're still in alignment and it's not pouring over into that one-on-one coaching call that you have with a client, or that consultation that you have coming up on the calendar. Or when you close your laptop and you go home and you're with your family, you're not arguing with your spouse, you're not taking it out on your kids, right? These are things that are very, very important so that we can operate at a high level, both in the business and outside of the business. So having a system for how you service your clients and how you get the clients is very, very important. Now, if you are a gym owner, personal trainer, or fitness coach, and with your in-person training business, you're making anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 or $20,000 a month with your in-person business, but you want to transition to a hybrid suite or online coaching, and you want to make $25,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 months, this is exactly what we do inside of the Fitness Empire Advisory. We help you set up your hybrid suite. We help you with your online coaching offer, literally everything. And we install our client getting system inside of your business in 7 days. And if you are on the gym floor 6 to 8 or sometimes even 10 hours, Monday through Friday, we help you transition to 100% hybrid suite or 100% online within 90 days, or you don't pay. So if you want more information and you want to apply to see if you can work with us one-on-one inside of the Fitness Empire Advisory, just head over to my Instagram and message me the word apply. We'll have a conversation, see if it's a good fit, and I'll give you a complimentary systems and business audit. This way we can see exactly what your business needs, come up with your customized Fitness Empire blueprint. I'll see you on the call.